G'day guys, welcome back to another video lesson. We're going to be talking about Amazon being a get-rich-quick scheme, alright? So we're going to be talking about that and more. Stay with me, we'll be back in a second.
My goal is to help as many people on this planet as possible. People that are positive, people wanting a positive change in their life, people wanting to start afresh, finding hot and trending products to sell online, and people wanting to make a positive impact for their family.
Welcome back guys, it's good to have you here. My name is Alex Ryan and I'm an importer, product finder, Amazon coach, and I'm based here in Sydney, Australia. And today's video, we're going to be talking about Amazon being like a get-rich-quick scheme, right? Let me tell you right now, all right, this is the honest truth. Amazon is a business. If you think that Amazon is a get-rich-quick scheme or a short-term fix for spectacular financial success, let me tell you, you are absolutely wrong and incorrect. Amazon is a business, it's a long-term business. You need to build your brand. It takes a while to build your brand. The goal is to build 1, 2, 3 products under one brand umbrella. So for example, baby products, pet products, homewares, kitchen appliances, right? And you build your little brand under that where you have 2 or 3 different products under the same brand. That stuff cannot be done overnight. You cannot do that overnight. To track a product, if you're interested, for example, in a baby product, you have to track that product for like a month to make sure it's profitable, make sure it's actually turning over funds, right? To actually make sure there's viability for you to jump on that product and compete in the same marketplace. So guys, what I'm saying is, if you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, Amazon is not it, all right? You need to find something else. I don't know, talk to somebody else about that, right? But Amazon is a business. It's a long-term smart business. It's a long-term business where you build your brand, your products over time, all right? It does take time. Do not come to me if you think this is a get-rich-quick scheme, if you think you're going to achieve massive spectacular financial success by doing my program. Please, I do not want you to join our program because you will be sourly disappointed if you're not making money in your first week, all right? It does take time. So, I just want to put the record straight, guys. Do not come to me or any of my peeps or affiliates or coaches if you're wanting to make money as of yesterday, all right? This is a business after all, and guys, let me tell you, right? If you're looking to build a long-term business, and it's the same thing goes with like Jim's mowing franchises, right? Same thing goes. People spend a fortune, $50,000, $100,000 on these franchises out there, dog washing franchises, Jim's mowing franchises. It's even then, you still got to work. It still does take time. And it's still actually, there's a lot of work. You got to do advertising. You got to find the right product. You got to find the clients, right, to mow their lawn, right? And it's the same thing goes with dog washing. You know, you got to wash the dog. It's hard work. It's not easy work. You're not sitting in the Bahamas drinking pina coladas, right? It does take time. Have a great day, guys. My name's Alex Ryan. If you're interested in learning more about the Amazon business and maybe finding a hot product for you to launch on Amazon USA or Australia, give us a call now in the office, 02 8003 7534. My name's Alex Ryan. Thanks for joining. Bye-bye for now. See you later.